latest gaming adventures, please like and subscribe. And guess what we're getting today? Toca Nature!
Whee! So there we are, Toca Nature.
Okay.
Experience nature's magic.
We're not going to do that, but you can shape nature, get closer and explore, feed the animals, capture the moment, make nature yours.
That's really nice.
And are you ready for this?
Oh yes.
Bye money. Why do I keep on saying bye to the money? Well, I've only said it twice, so I don't know why I do it, but bye money.
Bye money.
I just said it again.
Yeah.
Experience nature's magic. I'm old enough, and it's got 4.1 stars. Is that?
4.1.
And it's 109 education.
Yeah,
And
in the education charts, 109. That's not bad.
And of course it's by Toca Nature, and of course it's English. That's why it says N. Wow.
EN for English.
Well, that's a big size. Anyways,
Yeah.
let's start.
Toca boca.
It always does that. But if you just tap the screen whilst that's doing it. Okay, we just turned up the volume. See
Just a little bit so you get the Toca Nature.
Yeah, that for grown-ups, you like need to enter the bathroom stuff, and it like takes you into a big screen with like a video and stuff. I don't know. We just chop down the trees. Okay, what should we start with?
Water. All life needs water.
Now, what should we go for first? Definitely not bears.
Rabbits.
Let's go. Okay, let's just start with you. Oh, look, a rabbit. Look, like magic orbs are coming out to make like rabbits. That's cool.
Okay.
Okay, what else should we go for? We've done rabbits.
We definitely need water.
No, we've done rabbits. What now?
No, rabbits don't live in water.
No, maybe woodpeckers.
Okay.
Like the ones on the screen. Okay, a lot of this place is getting crowded.
Yeah, leave this area. Water.
No, amazing. You won't be able to fit into rock from that. But for now, let's put some water. Let's put some water here. Yeah, not water. Let's go.
No, oh wow. So like in the jungle now, this is awesome. I didn't know it did this.
Ooh, mushroom. See, that this was definitely a good idea.
Yeah.
If you wanted to get the skin, you know, so where
Yeah.
did it get? Ooh, red berries.
£3.49 on the App Store.
Yeah, most of them are free. I don't need to. Ooh, egg. Wait, what? What was that? Ooh, there's a lot of weird noises going. Oh, I like that noise. Ooh, I like to go to ooh, yes. I like you to turn the lens around to like turn me around so I look in a different direction. Oh no, okay. Oops. Printer.
So what are you doing when you're getting the mushrooms? What does that do?
You like basically you can like feed them to animals. You haven't seen too much blueberries.
Or fish? You haven't seen any fish.
Because we haven't come to the lake, of course.
Right.
Yeah. Maybe we should start building on that lake then.
What's that noise?
It's just the wind being moved, I guess.
Okay.
Oops. Go back to that. Okay, let's just put a few more woodpeckers, I guess, and go into the lake area. Okay, ooh, fishy. We'll keep on spawning in.
Oh, right, okay.
So those that never went out. Oh, you can touch blue. I did just see you could actually make mountains. Yeah, you can make mountains. That's so good. You can make mountains.
Alright.
Where snow's coming. Snow.
Oh, yeah, because of the altitude. Which means high up, viewers.
Yeah, you okay, let's just do this. The animals, so we don't get lost. So if we ever get to the center and out of the so if we ever see the one, we do know we're getting close to the animals.
Yes.
But why doesn't it let us go any further?
Yeah, to the good world. That's fine like that. I think, do you want to go like feed the animals now?
I'm just gonna finish off making this.
Okie dokie. Quite a building up, isn't it? Is that as high as it goes, Thomas?
Yeah, I think so. Let's just test out this mountain. Test out a mountain. Oh yeah. So why are we looking down? Oh, that's why. Okay. Those things are getting a bit smelly anyway. Let's finish off actually making this thing. Okay, what should we build now? Get off that. Anyways, okay, what else could we build?
I'm not sure. Well, what did you do with all the food that you had? Is it time to give the animals some food?
Yeah, probably.
Who's that guy? He wants a
it's
fish.
It's a wolf. There you go. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And
That's nice. We'll put that up on your Instagram, Thomas. Check out Thomas's Gaming Adventures on Instagram.
I guess this is time we take pictures of. I know, let's do investigating and see which ones we can find and which ones we haven't found.
Okay.
Maybe not a seal that's still leaking. Ooh, we're up on the mountains. Wait, what? Oh, it's a cactus. Okay, it's quite. Ooh. A little wolf. We're just getting the wolf. Wait. Wait, what?
I thought there was something there then. Who's that big guy?
That's a bear.
Okay.
That's a bear, of course. No, not over there. Here. Oh, no. It's this tool. It's so annoying.
Yeah, so that's not as defined as it could be.
Here we go.
Yeah, we'll go see this bear. Oh, he's asleep. Sleepy bear.
I know.
No, we've got the bear asleep.
We got a sleep bear. Hopefully he doesn't wake up and find out. Where's all of the blueberries? It's really not found that much. Oh yeah, there's a bit of grassland down here. Ooh, what, another one just a bit. Onto the phone.
Who found it? He just put it away when he found it.
I guess you can't have a lovely.
Oh, lovely cat, a lovely fish.
Okay, maybe we could put in some extra touches. Maybe put in a bit, maybe make the pond a bit more. The water first, a bit bigger.
We need some flatland still. Yeah, at least some flatland. Can't just have a lake, can it? And just be like a volcano.
Yeah. Oops. Let me keep on pressing on the home screen. Home screen.
Yeah.
Sounded like I was a principal or something like that. Since I've actually now a crazy school YouTube channel, and it's called Keep It Weird. It's a bit of a strange YouTube channel, but
Oh, check it out, folks.
yeah, keep it weird. That's what we call it. We'll check it out. Oh. There we go. Good. This is gonna be good.
Oh, nature photography is so difficult.
Oh, here we go. Oh, this is so hard. They just keep on moving. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is so hard. If I just wait here and wait for a woodpecker to come. Okay, no. Ooh. No, that's just a seal on land. I want to seal in the water. Ooh, blueberry. Ooh, another blueberry.
I think I just saw a rabbit.
Yeah, I did. So let's just try and get a picture of a woodpecker.
Okay.
Or we can do an eating reindeer instead.
Ooh.
Ooh, he wants some mushrooms though. I did not go.
Hey, there we go. Oh, perfect capture.
Yay! Okay, let's see if we can get a woodpecker packing a tree yet. until we do anything. I think I just saw something sleeping. Okay, now it's Yes. Yes.
Oh, nice one. Oh, brilliant. That was a really good photograph.
Yeah,
So we're photographing real nature in Toca Nature now.
Yeah. Okay. Woodpecker. Oh. Okay. Oh. Gosh, this is so hard. It's so hard since there's not so many sprays anymore. Okay, maybe we should not make the land like maybe like a whole lake.
Yeah, just a little pond.
Yeah.
A bit flat ground. That's it. Yeah, there.
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah.
Now if I just make a bit more of habitat control, then a few bunnies, a few more woodpeckers, so we can get a shot of that.
Yes.
Maybe a few deers and a few foxes. Okay, let's go back in. Okay, maybe spawn in a lake. What do I think? Ooh, let's maybe get some more fish. This is a fun game, isn't it?
It's really good. I like it.
It's definitely worth it if you get this game. Why are we not seeing too many? Doesn't move. Oh, this is so.
Yeah, photographing nature in real life is really hard. Just be
Instant move, yeah. Especially when you take the photo, it like makes them have too much eyesight and then they just like immediately run away, don't they?
Yes.
It's really annoying. Because sometimes people like to get a second shot, don't they?
Definitely.
We've already done a reindeer. We just want to get a woodpecker now, I think. We haven't done a... I think we've already done a fox. Ooh, I don't think we've done a rabbit. Have we done a rabbit?
No.
Wait, the woodpecker. Yes. Oh! Why does Toca make them move so fast?
Nature moves fast.
Dad, but it looks like it's going on nothing. That's not good. Yes!
That's a good one. Hey, well done. Get 1 or 2.
Okay, there we go. Okay. Now
Yeah,
let's
nice one.
Now all is left to do is do a rabbit.
They move quite fast. They sort of bounce around and they have them twitchy noses and the big ears.
Who wants a face? Okay, there you go. We've definitely done that one.
I think you threw the fish in a tray.
Let's stop facing our face. Okay, we can have that back.
No, Oh, that fox was going for it. There was a rabbit. Oh no, is that a rabbit? Yay! What the rabbits eat?
Berries.
Sure. Yeah. Camera. Quick. Perfect.
Yes, now what we need to do is feed the animals open and put it all up. And so what should we do now? Create more land? Let's create more land. What could we get? What could we make? I feel like we're in Toca Nature right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just nature.
I really like this. It's great, huh?
We should make some more trees on the hill.
Yes. Some shelter for the big bear that lives up there.
Big bears, so we get snow bears.
Oh yeah.
A lot of bear trees. Yeah.
We're gonna have to feed everything now.
Oh my god.
Perfect.
There's gonna be a lot of bears up here soon.
Yes.
Maybe we should see how many bears there is up there right now. Probably a lot already. Coffee. Okay, I'm going to see our first bear in not long.
There's one. Is that a bear?
There's a bear.
That's a bear. Sleeping bear.
Soon we can take a picture. Soon we'll take a picture of a snowy bear.
Okay.
When we at least get one. Yeah. Ooh, what's that? What's that noise?
I'm not sure.
I don't know. Doesn't matter. People, yeah, we love Toca Nature. I think the rabbit just went to a nut or something. That's so mushroom.
Looks like they eat mushrooms.
I do not believe there is.
Go for it now. What's that guy?
That's a rabbit. Wait, let's see.
I don't think rabbits are herbivores.
Wait, I think they eat anything.
They don't. Rabbits are herbivores. They don't eat meat. What are they doing this at? Oh no, he's eating the mushroom.
Wait, I think they eat every animal eats everything in this game.
Don't eat the fish. Ah.
It did. It tried.
Yeah, it just sort of sniffed it, didn't it?
Will it try and get the... Okay, let's just double try to get its fish. Okay, it doesn't like this. Okay, let's just pick up the fish. And maybe instead give it to this bear. So maybe we can get a good picture of a bear. Oh, it's looking for something. Oh, wait, that's an acorn. Don't knock them down.
Yeah, he's eating the fish.
Yes!
Hey!
That's a good one. Well, are we riding that?
No.
I think we are.
Well, it looks a bit steep there.
Oh, you're making it. No. Yes. Yes, that's perfect. Okay, gamers, but I think that's about time we stop the video here. So please like and subscribe. Wait.
Thank you so much for watching, gamers. Please subscribe to the channel.
Following the bear.
It is. It's in some sort of camera mode. And another fish. 2 more fish. Might be hungry.
Okay, gamers, that's the end of this episode. So please like and subscribe.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, and bye to you.
That's Bumble the mascot. Bye everyone.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye. New videos every Saturday, 8 AM UK time.